Hello and welcome back to Income Strategies, the place where you'll learn the skills to make money, to multiply your money, and to manage your money. Yeah, today we're on another episode of Triangular Arbitrage. This time around on Kucoin. Okay, so let's see what we've had here. What we have here is cUSD slash BTC. That's where the opportunity is. Okay, so we're going to go straight ahead to try and get some BTC to try this out in simulations before we continue to take the trade. Okay, let's go ahead and check on BTC to pick up the amount of money that we can get. Okay, so let's go to BTC USDT. Let's go ahead and just pick up 100%. What do we have here? Okay, it only picks up 19.99 out of 20.01. Okay, let's go ahead and just copy that. We'll cut that and go back to cUSD. So cUSD, and then we'll pick the BTC leg. Okay, so now we're going to just drop that in here, paste that, and see what we're going to get. We're going to get 21.3371. Okay, now as we're doing this, we're putting our eye to check to see, can we actually buy this immediately? That is something that we need to check. Okay, so now looking at this, if I were going to buy this, I'm seeing that the price I may have to buy this is 5399. That is out of this world. Currently, the price is 3343, but what's happening here is that if I want to buy outrightly, I'm seeing that they don't have enough. Yes, in this sell section, there's the first one is 3609. It's just 1.8 piece. The second one, which is 3622, there's just 1.9. And the third price, which is 3755, is just 3 pieces. So if I'm going to have to do this, I'm going to have to buy at 5399. That's not possible, okay? Because if I do that, let me see what's going to give me. Let me just see that just to be sure. Let's just see what we're going to get. Okay, let's just cut that, right? So if I touch this one, the fourth one in the row, and I put this amount here, I'm gonna get so little. No, that's not gonna work because this is just a mass failure. So what we're gonna do is, it looks like we're not gonna do this trade. That's what it looks like. Because if we're gonna wait, or should we try it out? Let's wait for probably an hour and see how this goes. Okay, so let's just do it. Because for me, this is looking like it's not doable. Okay, it looks like it's not doable because if I have to do this, I'm gonna have to, jump to the fourth price, and that's gonna be like forever. But anyways, I mean, no venturing in anything, and then that means there's no gain. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. Okay, of course, nothing ventured, nothing lost. So if I am able to pick this up at this current price, right? How much would I make? Let's go to CUSD USDT. CUSD USDT. So if I want to sell back, okay, I'm just going to just check this out. Let's see how much we can get. We're going to get $21.2. That's interesting. But will I be able to sell this? Well, I should be able to because, see. If I want to get this sold, that means I have to pick the second one. Let's check that out. Okay. So if I have to pick the second one and then I have to put this here, what will I make? Well, I'll still make money. Yes, I will still make money. So let's go ahead and try this out. Okay. Let's go ahead back to BTC. That's where we have to head first. BTC. To go pick up some BTC. Okay, this is quite risky though, because I just saw that in cUSD, BTC, there's not much happening there. But I'm just trying this out to see whether if I leave it for a day or leave it for some hours, whether eventually I could get this, bought. But if anything happens, at least we have our, our sell back, our boomerang strategy. And as long as BTC rises above 28,053, then I'm sure to get some money back. Okay. What's the worst case? I get my money back. Okay. Let's go ahead. I mean, nothing ventured, nothing gained. Okay. So let's go ahead and try to pick this all up. Okay. Let's see what we get. I'm just going to take a screenshot and then go straight ahead to buy this. Okay. I'll be back after my verifications. Okay. I'm back and it seems like we're in the queue. I'm going to cancel that and do that one more time. Okay, let's do this. Tap everything, but you can see it's running. It's really, really running. It's really, really running. So we need to be fast, 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 fast. Let's hope that this one gets sold. Oh, back in the queue. What's happening? Oh, it's sold. We've already bought it, so that's good. Let's go over to this risky venture. Go over and see how long this will take us. Keeping our eyes. So let's go to cUSD, BTC. Okay. So like I said, we definitely are going to be in the queue. We don't have any other choice. No other choice, because if I want to get this sold immediately, I'm going to be buying all. And is it going to be buying? I'm going to be buying at a very expensive price. So I'm not doing that. So let me pick up 100%. Okay. So I've picked up 100% and then I'm buying. But I have my eyes on BTC. Alrighty. Let's see what this is. Already in the queue. No problems about that. So let's see how long this will take. I'll be back to give you the results. See you shortly. I'm back and I can see that BTC is rising. Don't forget we bought this at 28,073. So I'm seeing that it's going up, right? And of course, this risky trade doesn't look like it wants to convert. So let me just click on that and go to, as you can see, it's still stuck. We're still here. Okay. So what I'll just do is I'll just cancel this, right? I'm just going to do a boomerang, I'll just cancel that. And then I'll just go and set a sell limit in BTC, USDT. Okay, so let's go to BTC, USDT. Where is that? Okay. And then I'm just going to set a sell limit. Now, if I want to sell back now, would I get any profit? No, not at all. It's just going to give me back my money. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to set a sell limit to, let's say, 300. Okay, 28,300. Let's hope it will hit it. Okay, let's do that. Okay, we'll be able to make 15 cents. Should I be more? Should I go further? Okay, let me just do this to 400. There's no harm trying this, right? Okay, 22 cents. I think that's good. I'm just gonna set that sell limit, and then I'll go with it, and then I'll just click on, sell BTC. Okay, all right. I'll have to do my verifications, and I'll be back. Okay, I've done my verification, so I'm currently in the queue. I think I'm more comfortable just waiting here. Okay, and let's see how long it will take for us to sell back to BTC. Like I said, it was a risky trade, but I think I'm more comfortable just selling back. So this turned out to be more or less like, it's looking like it's going to be spot trading, okay? So let's see how long this will take, and I'll be back with the results. See you shortly. Okay, all right, so I'm back, and we still haven't sold to USDT. It's taken quite a while, but while we're waiting, I saw an opportunity that I'd like to explore, and that is ELFBTC. So let's go check it out. There's no harm. If it doesn't work, we come back and sell back to USDT, right? Let's go and check what this gives us and do like a basic simulation. That's ELF. BTC. Okay, so what do we have here? So for me to try this out, let me just cancel this for now. I'll just cancel this. Okay, so we have our BTC back in our kitty. Then what do we have here? Okay, we've got this amount. Let's see. Let's just do a basic simulation, and let's see what we get. So we put up 100% here, and what we get is 63.0404. Okay, let's just cut that out and go and see how we'll have to change this ELF to ETH. Okay, and then we'll sell that to ETH. So let's put that in here. Okay, so this is what we get. Just cut that out again and then go sell ETH to USDT. ETH to USDT. Okay, let's just do this. Let's put in there and see. Okay, wow. Wow. Obviously this is not working, right? I actually thought this was going to give us something interesting. No, no, no. So let's get it back. Let's get it back into BT into selling from BTC to USDT. I thought that this was going to give me a good opportunity. I mean, it was supposed to give us 3%. Wow. Anyways, let's just get it back, right? It doesn't mean that there wasn't a good opportunity here. It's just that don't forget that the value of BTC has gone down, right? The value of our BTC really is no longer $20. No, it isn't. Let me show you that so that you will understand why this doesn't look like it. I thought it was a really good. No, that's not what we're going to. We're going to BTC USDT. Okay. So now let's say I want to sell back right now. See what I'm going to get. You see, I'm going to lose like 13 cents. You can see that because what it picked up was 19.99. Okay. But if let me show you. You see, just say 19.99 or just say $20, really, almost $20, right? You can see we're going to lose like 14 cents. So it doesn't really make any sense. That's the reason why it looks like that particular opportunity wasn't, profitable. Now, if I do, I mean, just to let you know that opportunity was actually profitable, let me just go ahead and just do a simulation with $100, right? So let's just quickly do this. Of course, for you to actually use that, you have to have BTC. So let's just do a simulation, and we'll just buy $100 worth of BTC. All right. So I'm just doing this for us that may want to take advantage. This is just like two opportunities in one. So let's just do this simulation. I'm not taking the trade because my BTC has gone down low. So that's the reason why. So let me go and try this out with ELF BTC. Okay. So now we want to buy, let's buy, okay, so we're going to get 317. So this is like $100 worth of BTC buying ELF. So let's just go ahead and cut that out, right? And then let's sell to ETH. So that's going to be ELF, ETH, okay? So we're going to sell that. So we're going to put that current amount. So we're going to get this amount of ETH. So let's go ahead and now sell the ETH to USDT. So let's check how let's see what's going to happen. All right, so I'm just giving you this quick simulation within this trade, okay? So I'm just selling this and just seeing, okay, well, it's not as if that's fantastic, but at least there's some profit. Over your $100, you're going to get 37 cents, okay? So it's not that fantastic, but it was actually profit potential. So let's get back into our BTC life, right? So let's go back into BTC USDT and go back and set our sell limits. We don't have a choice right now. Well, let's just be hopeful that this will, all we just need it for it to, I mean, look at it now. This is a one-day chart. Oops, if you're looking at the one-day chart, you'll see it's still in the red. It's like almost at the same level for the past 2-3 days. So it's quite undecided. Let me put that in 60 minutes. Okay, let's put that in 60 minutes and see what we get. What's been going on, as you can see here, it's just going down, going up, going down. I mean, well, let's get back into getting this, let's get back into putting this into our sell limit. Okay, so what will I put back here? Obviously, I'm going to go back and put this back into let's just make this, let's see. Let's put that 28. Don't forget, we bought it at 28 and 73 or something in that range, right? So we need to sell it higher than that. So if we put it at 300, 300, we're actually coming down lower than we planned. Well, we'll make 15 cents. I think, let me just go with this, right? Just to make sure we get our money back, okay? So let's go ahead and click on sell BTC. Okay, I'll have to put in my verifications and I'll be back. All right, so I've put in my verifications and we're back, but this time a little lower than we initially planned to take. So let's see how this goes. I'll be back to give you the results. See you soon. So I'm back and it has already hit the target. Yes, well, oh my gosh, I'm feeling so annoyed with myself. I should have left it at 28,400. Oh my God. See, right now it's pumping, pumping, pumping. But anyways, better safe than sorry. So we already made it. Oh my gosh. I'm just seeing it right now. I should have allowed this hit, 400. I should have left it at my initial, sell limit. But that's fine. I mean, life is all about making choices, right? So thank God we've hit our target. We actually have our profit. So we actually made, well, it was supposed to be 15 cents, but don't forget that they will take charges. So what we have here is $20.13. So that's fine. So what do you think about this trade? We went trying to get cUSD, but now we're here. We had to boomerang back to BTC and then now to USDT. So we're good. So in life, you have to make choices, you have to make moves, and you have to move ahead, right? You don't own the market, so you cannot tell what will happen in the next minute. Right now, it's pumping now. In the next minute, it could decide to dump. So I'm not going to allow that to stop me. So I should have made more money. That's fine. I could have made maybe an extra, maybe 5 cents or so, but that's fine. The fact that I actually made money, I wasn't sure about what was going to happen. I had to change from cUSD to BTC, from BTC back to USDT, and that's what trading is all about. Sometimes you cannot ever predict what would ever happen. You just make intelligent guesses, you make intelligent choices as much as possible, looking at the charts, looking at the different things that happen. Like I said, it was going down. It was undecided for like 3 days. But now probably we have some big money bags that came to buy up a lot of BTC, and it's pumping high. So we thank God that we've gotten back our money, and it's time to look for another opportunity. I hope you learned something in today's in this particular trade. Because if you did, please give us a like, give us a comment. Let's know what you're thinking about this particular video that I have sent to you or that I've recorded for you. And of course, if you have a question you want us to answer, please let us know in the comments. I'll be willing to take a look at it and to make all of us learn and grow together. Thank you so much once again for watching. I look forward to hearing from you. God bless you and see you in the next video. Bye.